Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Lenovo Yoga 7i touchpad not working. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to update the drivers in your touchpad. For update the drivers, you will need to follow some steps. For that, go first to Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start slash Window symbol, then click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Once done, click the arrow right next to Human Interface Devices tab and see if the touchpad drivers is in there. It should be seen in there as HID complaint customer touchpad drivers. So if it is there, right click on the driver itself, then select properties. In the properties window, go to driver tab and update the driver itself. Then restart the device and try it again. So this is the possible fix regarding this. Update your driver first. When you update the drivers, after restart your touchpad and try again. If you find your problem is fixed, then it is good for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.